What's going on, everybody? If you guys are looking for a solution for a pergola or a canopy that protects you from the rain and snow and it is super inexpensive, then stay tuned for this video. I'm going to show you how I put together this giant cover on my custom 37-foot pergola. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? So you guys know that I've been doing a bunch of renovation jobs this year, so I wanted to show you an easy way to create an awning for a pergola, a canopy, or anything else that is extremely inexpensive. So this summer we built out this whole deck here, and last year I built this pergola, and then I needed to create some sort of a cover. Any solution for this large pergola was $5,000 to create absolutely any sort of a cover. I needed to make sure that it's waterproof. That includes rain and snow because we are in Canada. So I ended up basically finding this 40D nylon in different colors. I tried blue, didn't work very well for me. Then I opted for white, and they come in two different lengths. The fabric is 60 inches wide by 393 inches in length. So I basically got the 393 inch lengths, and it goes from here all the way to where you see this stitching line, which is right over here. So then we have one piece, two piece, and then we have an extra 24-inch piece that I ended up cutting from another big piece. And then we took end of that piece, okay? And then we ended up having extra length to cut another little bit of a piece and another little bit of a piece. Anyways, the point is I have tested this with water, completely waterproof. The water essentially just kind of falls off and tapers out and drains this way and that way towards the house, because there is a slant on these trusses. There's like maybe a 4-degree slant on all of these, so water is essentially going to be sliding down. Let me see if I can get a close-up so you guys can see what this looks like. There's a little of a square pattern here. This is pretty much tear-proof. This material is used in making windbreaker jackets, tents, and even inflatable bouncy castles. So you can sew it together, put some air in there, and then you're gonna have a bouncy castle. But at the end of the day, this cost me about $200. I am very happy with this. I honestly could not be happier. And that's the video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.